Hello guys, guess what? We just placed this trade right now and we are making a lot of profit already. We are in massive profit, and in case you don't know the particular trade we are trading, we are actually trading volatility 75. In case you are new in the market, this is a nice and a safe place to enter if you know you are using a right lot size and a big equity for it. Now, as you can see, I'm using one equity to secure this market already. See, I'm actually in this kind of massive profit today, and you can see, yeah, we are making a lot of profit today. Now, let me show you. I kind of took this market already. I saw this market is going to reverse after this particular breakout point. I saw this market is going to reverse. Let me take you back to the yesterday trade. Now I saw this market yesterday dancing, and I saw this W pattern shape already. Anybody that sees this will most surely think that this market is going to sell at a particular point, but the market now have to come a little down with this reversal over here, come a little down, then had a little strange lines here, bushy lines here. Then the market now took off to this massive up and still going up till this particular point. Now, as you can see, if you are actually in this market, you might be thinking, okay, this market is going to get you, it's going to set to this point. Yeah, that's what everybody will actually think. But I already know that this market is not going to set to this point. At least this market is we make a little turn back here, then started selling again. Now, but before it make a little turn back here, we have to take in what we've got already. Now let me take you back to 1 hour time frame. As you can see, this market is actually a buying market. Okay, it's a buying market, but we'll turn into a selling market already. See how sell this market could be. If you're actually in this market, you are in a very nice opportunity place to trade. Now, punch into my DM for account management. I'll be managing your account in case you are actually a beginner in your forex trading life. Punch into my DM. I'll be adding you up in my free channel, a free Telegram channel where I'll be dropping free signals every Monday morning, and I'll be giving you guys a little touch of tutorials or educations on how to make massive profit in this particular forex trading. In case you don't know, we are actually trading deriv. We are not trading XNES, but I know XNES is better, but we are not trading XNES now. We are trading deriv, and we are making massive and good profit already in this market. Please punch into my DM. I'll be guiding you on how to open your account, on how to deposit any amount of money you want to deposit in your particular account. Just punch into my DM for an account management. Please, account management should be not less than $100 because I can't be managing a small little equity account. Before I close a trade, it will take like 1 week, so I will not be managing a little small equity account. Let's go back to the trade. As you can see, this market is still going to make a little turn. Now this market is confusing the sellers, the people that actually sells, to close up so that they will go massively down and blow some people account, because when you close your selling account, you definitely place buy. Yes, because you want to make massive money from the market. But there is something I learned about this market. You don't use greedy, you don't use takeout. You only think and please. Once you get enough enough equity you want, or should I say you make enough profit you want, you close up, then you have a little bit rest then you start checking. You don't go into market anyhow. You must see your market that, okay, this particular market is actually going my direction. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this market to this particular place. If your market is going your direction, maybe you have seen this kind of reversal here, then you know that this market is actually still going to go down to this particular place. Maybe this is the place that you placed. Then just place your trade and take it over to here. Then when you take it over to here, then don't be greedy person. You close up the trade and allow the market to go ease on its way. So that you can be able to secure the particular profit you are looking for. And please don't trade anyhow. Don't go into market. Don't be like, okay, this market is looking promising. I think I will just sell because this market is going down. I think I will just buy because this market is actually buying. Bro, don't do that. Once you are going into market, you have to predict how profitable and how strong the market is going, and how amazing the market is going. If you don't see all these things in this market, please don't go into this market, because you are just going to find yourself blowing your small equity account or your big equity account that you can actually use and make massive money in this trade. Now, forex trading is not really kid stuff. If you know you are going to lose, or when you lose, then your life stop there. When you lose, your life stop there. Please don't go into forex trading or fund as much as you can lose. You can bear to lose, and don't fund all your pocket money in forex trading. Fund as much as you can lose, and don't fund and start crying later or start regretting later. As I said, we're making massive profit. Bring your small equity account of $100 and let's grow it to a massive one tonight. I'll be heading home right now, so I'm actually driving to supermarket to get some things. So just punch into my DM, and please make sure you hit the subscribe button, and make sure you follow this page for more and more massive update dropping. I had this program I'm actually arranging on, where is actually an academy where you can actually learn, or I'll be teaching you live on how to manage your accounts, or on how to trade and make massive profit. So hit my DM right now. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Share this video to as many as you can, and don't forget to tell your friends about this video. If this video is looking promising, if this video have already taught you a little bit stuff, please comment and share the video. Have a nice day. I will be seeing you guys in my next video upload. And please don't forget to like and comment, very important, and subscribe to this channel to have access to more of my videos once I dropped it. Please have a nice day, and don't forget to live a good life.